I don't know what to do, man. I know he's ignoring me. Like, I see him spending more time with people than me. This is not fair, man. This is not done.
It feels bad when you're being ignored. बुरा लगता है जब कोई आपको छोड़कर किसी और के पास चला जाए. Look, she's still ignoring me.
Okay. Hey,
Hi, what's up?
so this party is gonna be so lit, I'm telling you. And you know what? Rohan is also coming.
Is it?
I've had such a huge thing for him for so long. I'm so excited. Yeah, and I also chose clothes. Like, I have like 4 different options, so I might need an opinion.
Yeah. Shoes ना कुछ भी पहन ले.
Yeah. So, you're coming, right?
नहीं bro, I won't be able to make it. I mean,
Why?
I'm loaded with a lot of work. अभी month end चल रहा है ना, so office में कुछ ज़्यादा ही काम है. Even right now while talking to you, I'm doing something.
Oh, okay.
चल.
Bye.
ठीक है, go.